Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Vishal Vlogs. As per your all request, I completed these two sections questions, economic and marketing and customer relation in English. At this time, both of these sections have been prepared as separate PDFs. Guys, in these 2 days, it was not so easy to go to Google History and sort out different questions from different websites and prepare them as one PDF. And here I have to make two PDF of two subjects. Then you can understand how complex and difficult the work was. You would have got all these questions yesterday but could not complete it due to lack of time on duty. So never mind, let's start. This is the first question of economic and marketing. Guys, please focus on these two questions. Question number 1 and 2. Both these questions were asked in the last exam. Both questions are precise but changing in their format. You can check the both questions with previous year paper. Then the first question is, Michael Porter of Harvard has proposed the space as a tool for identifying ways to create more customer value. Then the right answer is option number B, value chain. Next question. This question was asked in this format that STP stands for, and option were given below. Okay, and this time option question is like, the formula space is the essence of strategic marketing. Then the right answer is option number A, STP, segmentation, targeting and positioning. Next question is, market sensing, customer linking and channel bonding are then the right answer is option number B, distinctive capabilities. Next question is, holistic marketers achieve profitable growth by. Here the right answer is option number D, all of the above. That means expanding customer share, building customer loyalty, capturing customer lifetime value. Then the next question is, a company identify new value opportunities through. Then the right answer is option number A, value exploration. Next question is, analyzing three space that are the customer's cognitive space, company's competency space and the collaborator's resource space is integral part of. Then the right answer is option number A, value exploration. Next question, customer relationship management, that means CRM, integral resource management, that means IRM, and business partnership management, that means BPM, are the key functions of. Here the right answer is option number B, value delivery. Next question, in marketing terms, QSP stands for. Here the right answer is option number A, quality, service and price. Next question, space lays out of the target markets and the value propositions the firm will offer based on an analysis of the best market opportunities. Here the right answer is option number B, a strategic marketing plan. Next question, tactical marketing plan focus on. Here the right answer is option number D, all of the above. That means promotion, merchandising and sales channel. Next question, hollow corporations operating in vertical competitive sphere. Then the right answer is option number C, both A and B. That means contracts out every service are pure marketing companies. Next question, never settle for the best is the philosophy of. Here the right answer is option number A, Google. Next question. Organizing the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful is the mission statement of. Here the right answer is option number B, Google. Next question. Harvard's famed marketing professor Ted Levitt argued that. Here the right answer is option number A. Market definitions of a business are superior to product definitions. Next question. Every little helps is the famous marketing campaign of. Here the right answer is option number D, Tesco. Next question. Sense and simplicity is the marketing campaign of. Here the right answer is option number A, Philips. Next question. In the software industry, Bangalore is positioned as the. Here the right answer is a Silicon Valley of India. Next question. In the tourism industry, Kerala is marketed as. Here the right answer is option number A, God's own country. Next question. With online advertising program space, the companies can reach customers and grow business. Here the right answer is option number A, AdWords. Next question. Marketing management is the space of choosing target markets and keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value. Here the right answer is option number C, art and science. Next question. Brand and customer equity is an element of. Here the right answer is option number D, performance marketing. Next question. Select the theme of integrated marketing. Here the right answer is option number C, both A and B. That means many different marketing activities communicate and deliver value, and when coordinated, marketing activities maximize their joint effects. Next question. Integral marketing requires a space alignment and with senior management and space alignment with other departments, so everyone appreciates, understands and support the marketing efforts. Here the right answer is option number A, vertical and horizontal. Next question. Marketers operate in which marketplace? Here the right answer is option number C, A and B both. That means consumer and business, and global and non-profit. Next question. Next question is, intangible assets make up a large percentage of the value of an organization. Here the right answer is yes. Next question. Better product, better value, better living is the mission statement of which company? Here the right answer is Nirma. Next question. Marketing is an organizational function and a set of process of creating, communicating and delivering value to customers and for managing customers' relationship in ways that benefits the organization and its stakeholders. Definitions is given by. Here the right answer is option number B, the American Marketing Association. Next question. There is always, one can assume, be need for some selling, but the aim of marketing is to make selling superfluous, said by. Here the right answer is option number D, Peter Drucker. Next question is, marketing people market a space type of entities. Here the right answer is 10. Next question. Marketing people market following entities. Here the next answer is option number D, all of the above. That means goods, services and experiences. Next question is, at a fast food restaurant, what is marketed? Here the right answer is option number C, A and B. That means goods and service. Next question. By orchestrating several service and goods at palace like amusement park and theme restaurant, a form markets. Here the right answer is answer C, option number C, experiences. Next question, the value creation and delivery sequence process Palace emphasis on. Here the right answer is option number D, all of the above. That means choosing the value, providing the value, communicating the value. Next question, market research and company self-analysis is a part of. Here the right answer is option number C, value defining process. Next question, the primary activities in a value chain includes. Here the right answer is option number A, inbound logistics and outbound logistics. Next question, Indian government is marketing India as a tourist destination through the space advertisement campaign. Which campaign? Here the right answer is Incredible India. Next question, properties are space rights of ownership of either real property or financial property. Here the right answer is option number D, intangible. Next question, a marketer is a person who seek a responsible, a purchase, a vote, attention from another party called the. Here the right answer is option number A, prospect. Next question, marketers are responsible for what? Next, here the right answer is option number B, demand management. Next question, when consumer dislike a product and are even ready to pay a price to avoid it is known as. That's what. Here the right answer is option number C, negative demand. Next question, when customers share a strong need that cannot be satisfied by an existing product, it is. Here the right answer is A, latent demand. Next question, when consumers are attracted to products that have undesirable social consequence, it is. Here the right answer is unwholesome demand. Next question is, resource markets can be classified into. Here the right answer is option number C, raw material market, labor market and money market. Next question, as per marketers, which of the following statement is correct? Here the right answer is option number A, sellers constitute the industry and buyers constitute the market. Next question, which of the following statement is true about rural marketing? Then the right answer is option number C, rural marketing consists of marketing of inputs to the rural markets as well as marketing of outputs from the rural markets to other geographical areas. Next question, the set of benefits that a company offers to its customers for satisfying their needs is known as. Then the right answer is option number B, value propositions. Next question, the intangible value propositions is made physical by an offering which can be. Then the right answer is option number D, a combination of product, services, information and experiences. Next question, value can be defined as the sum of the perceived tangible and intangible costs and benefit to customers and is a combination of. Here the right answer is option number C, quality, service and price. Next question, value space with quality and service and space with price. Then the right answer is option number A, increases and decreases. That means value increases with quality and service and decreases with price. Next question, the marketers uses a space to display, sell or deliver the physical product or service to the buyer or user. Here the right answer is option number B, distributions channel. Next question, when a firm acquires its peers or expands downstream or upstream, its objective is to, here the right answer is option number A, capture a higher percentage of supply chain value. Next question, the broad environment consists of, and the right answer is option number C, both A and B. That means demographic environment, economic environment, and physical environment, and technological environment, political legal environment, and social cultural environment. Next question, the societal forces that expand the information age have resulted in, then the right answer is option number C, many new consumer and company capabilities. Next question, as per the production concept, business concentrates on what? So then right answer is option number D, all of the above. That means high product efficiency, low costs, and mass distributions. Next question, the organization that make use of product concept focus on, here the right answer is option number A, quality performance. Next question, marketing focuses on the needed of what? The right answer is option number A, buyer. Next question, in proactive marketing orientation, an organization focuses on then the right answer is option number A, customers' latent needs. Next question, holistic marketing incorporates, here the right answer is option number C, both A and B. That means relationship marketing and integrated marketing, and integral marketing and performance marketing. Next question, the original name of Nike was, here the right answer is a Blue Ribbon Sports. Next question, financial accountability and social responsibility marketing are a part of which marketing? Then the right answer is option number D, performance marketing. Next question, making gifts of money, goods, or time to help non-profit organizations, groups, and individuals is, here the right answer is option number D, corporate philanthropy. Next question, promoting social issues through efforts such as licensing agreements, advertising, and sponsorships is what? Then the right answer is option number B, cause marketing. Next question, McDonald's promotion a statewide childhood immunization campaign in Oklahoma is an example of, here the right answer is option number A, corporate social marketing. Next question, Space recognize that everything matters with marketing and that a broad integrated perspective is often necessary. Then the right answer is option number C, the holistic marketing concept. Next question, marketing must develop a strategy for a range of services and products space the organization. Then the right answer is within the organization. Next question, as per the value delivery process, here the right answer is option number C, marketing comes at the beginning of planning. Next question, value delivery network can be better defined as what? Then the right answer is option number C, supply chain. Next, and this is the last question of this section, the core competency of the focus company Nike is, here the right answer is option number C, shoe designing and merchandising. So guys, please like the video if it is informative and valuable and helping for you all. So meet you again at the next video. See you, bye bye.